Hey guys, it's Kyla and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are installing this gorgeous glueless 28-inch body wave 5x5 closure wig. So they gave me some wig caps and I'm just pulling out the wig. Look at how shiny it is. It's all bouncy, voluminous. Love it. 100% human hair, not that synthetic blend stuff, because I hate when they try to trick me with that. Shake. It is some pretty hair, y'all. I love this hair. So I'm just showing y'all the lace. It is a 5x5. It already comes with an elastic band, hence the glueless, so it really helps to stay secure and snug on your head. So I'm taking off my bonnet. So I already prepped my edges. I just sealed them back with some got-to-be glue. Just brushed it back. Nothing too crazy. I'm trying the wig on. And flip. Ooh, it is cute. So this is how it looks straight out the pack. No plucking. Nothing done to it. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. But of course we are going to pluck and add some foundation to that lace. Look at me feeling myself. Yes. I said this is so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna add my foundation. I'm just gonna add it to the lace. There you go. See it? I don't bleach. I do not bleach. Bleaching is just way too much work. I find it much easier to just add the foundation and then blow dry it in so the foundation won't be all wet and sticky on my forehead. Okay, so I put it on. Now y'all see how that lace is melted even better. I'm combing it back, getting a good look at it. Look at how it melts. Like, ooh. That is why you need to put foundation on that lace on now. We're going to get ready to cut it. Let's cut that lace. So I'm going over my little baby scissors so I can get a more precise cut. Y'all see my beady bees in the back of my head. They're all cute. Hey. So we're just going to cut that lace. Take our time. And I love closures because closures are so easy to install compared to lace fronts. You just cut that little strip of lace and you basically done for real. But I like to pluck. I want to pluck my hair because I cannot stand when a hairline gives Barbie. It looks a freaking mess. So I just section out a piece of hair and clip it back, and then I go side by side. Now I am not the queen of plucking. I do my plucking just side by side, very simple. You don't have to pluck too far back. So just section out a piece of hair like close to the front and then pluck side by side because you don't want to stay in one spot too long because you don't want to give bald eagle. And I'm going to comb some of that plucked out hair. Just keep plucking. And honestly, I just pluck until I feel the good Lord tell me to, that's enough. That's enough, child. That's enough. Now, it is always better to underpluck than overpluck. So if you feel the need to stop plucking, stop it. You can always go back and continue plucking later. It's always better to underpluck than overpluck. And then as you style your hair and you wear your wig and you wash it, some of the hair will come out naturally. So keep that in mind as you are plucking. So I'm just combing that hair back. Now I'm plucking the front. This is very important because y'all know, like, when the hairline start looking like Barbie, you gotta pluck that front. Just comb all the hair back, pluck that front. It's a little step, but it makes all the difference. Okay, so now I'm prepping the middle part. See, I'm just combing it, defining that middle part. As you can see, the hair is coming together very nicely. Now, you know, like when you take the wig out the pack and it be having a nasty cowlick, I love me a hot comb. I just hot comb it down. I think I need to get a new hot comb because it would take me forever to get these things hot and just get the hair to slick. So hopefully the company sends me a hot comb for free. Speaking of free, y'all, I got this wig for free. And if I can get free wigs, you're gonna get free wigs too. So my next video will be a tutorial on how to get free wigs. So I'm taking some got-to-be glue, the black one, and I'm just putting it over my part to lay down those flyaways, and this also helps get that part down as well. And I like to comb my wigs back. I don't like to comb them toward my face because I feel like that just gives like Morticia Adams or whoever. I just don't like the way that looks. Like even if it's a closure, I like to do that little back combing back and over, and then I'm gonna go over it again with my hot comb. Now, see, I'm going in, I'm making the faces and everything. I'm going to work on this wig because I cannot stand a cowlick. Ooh, look at me feeling myself, honey. So I'm just combing it down, sealing it in. You can tell I'm feeling myself a little bit. Ow. Pulling it forward, show y'all that body, that volume. This is a good wig, y'all. And it wasn't too expensive. I mean, I got it for free. Like I said, I'm going to teach y'all how to do that in my next video. But y'all see that all human hair. All human hair. Really light, really voluminous. It's just a really nice unit. Don't be sleeping on Amazon wigs, y'all. Do not. Because I don't get that discourse that's so against Amazon wigs. I don't understand it. All my wigs I've ever gotten was from Amazon, okay? And one thing about me, I don't pay too much for a wig, alright? Look at me feeling myself, honey. Yes, feeling all cute. I don't even know what I'm saying though, but I'm just feeling so cute. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Thank you. Bye.